aware of the temperament of Mr. Justice Maulvi Mushtaq Hussain, who never concealed his bias and hatred against Sheikh Zulfiqar Bhutto. It will not be out of place to mention here that international community showed complete no confidence in the judgment in issue by defeating Mr. Justice Anwarul Haq for the slot of International Court of Justice, whereas Mr. Justice Durapate, one of the authors of dissenting judgment was going to be elected unopposed, whose nomination had been withdrawn maliciously by the then caretaker government, who had come into power after toppling the democratically elected government of Mohtharma Benazir Bhutto Shahi.
Who was the Prime Minister in this caretaker government?
I believe it was Mr. Mullah Mustafa Jadoi.
Are you sure?
1990, if I'm not wrong. Admission of former Chief Justice of Pakistan, Mr. Justice retired Naseem Hassan Shah, on print and electronic media that